In Punjab, equity and quality start where care begins. The National Health Support Program, led by the Health and Population Department with support from the World Bank and partners, has one purpose: strengthen essential services and move faster toward universal health coverage. Financing follows verified progress. Teams set clear milestones, measure what matters, and fix gaps quickly so better systems turn into better care. Quality starts with readiness. Facilities move toward practical standards. Medicines and supplies are available. Diagnostics function. Infection prevention is routine, and basic newborn care protects the first hours of life. Providers build skills through competency-based training so every contact is safe, respectful, and consistent. Readiness only works if referrals are timely. Unified protocols link round-the-clock basic health units and rural health centers to higher-level hospitals. High-risk pregnancies and newborn emergencies are identified early, transport is activated on time, and the handover is recorded so no one is lost along the way. In one village, a flagged labor triggers an ambulance within minutes. At the district hospital, the team is ready and mother and baby go home safely. The program tackles priorities families feel most. Tuberculosis services expand through earlier testing, skilled follow-up, and treatment that finishes on time. Immunization improves in zero-dose and lagging areas through stronger cold chain, digital monitoring, and outreach that brings vaccines closer to home. Equity means reaching people who have been missed. Strategies extend the lady health workers' reach so households receive clear health education, timely follow-ups for mothers and newborns, and a direct link to nearby facilities. Data guide decisions. Electronic medical records capture key services at primary level. Dashboards give district and provincial teams timely trends to plan, allocate, and adjust. Birth data link with local government so every child has a legal identity. Strong services need predictable and accountable financing. An internal audit function checks risks, districts apply practical controls, funds are traceable from commitment to payment, releases are timely, stockouts fall, and spending follows service needs. Each part reinforces the others. Standards provide the platform, training builds skills, referrals connect people to the right level of care. The result is clear: safer deliveries, faster treatment, more complete immunization, earlier TB cure, and communities that trust the care around them. NHSP Punjab turns data into care and financing into results. Equity and quality closer to every home.